Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show to overlap different elements, rows and sections in Divi WordPress website. Here you can see I have these three elements. So now let's see if I overlap this image on this text, then how we can do that. So you can go here and click on Edit with Divi. After that, you can come here, then click on Module Settings. So if I go here and add some margin from the top, I want to add -100. Now here you can see text is under the image. So if I preview, now heading is backside the image. So let's see how we can bring that heading at the front side. Here you can see navigator. So you can see all the layers, text, heading and image. Here you can select the heading, then you can go here advanced tab, then here you can see attributes and different other things. So design tab, then layout, then scroll down, this one position 1, and for the image the index should be 0. Now here you can see heading is on the front side.